Hi, my name is Solomon. I'm going to be teaching you how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb in less than 2 minutes. Alright, follow. Now, remember arrows, your left hand for the first four holes, right? One, your thumb, two, three, and four. Alright, and these two here. So that's just the basics, or that's just all of it. But this is how we start. Alright, your A, G, F, G. Alright, take notes. So right, right, mm-hmm. Then it's that simple. All right. So please, if this is your first time of you watching, please endeavor to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so that whenever I drop videos like this, you'll be the first to see it. So let's try it again. It's pretty simple. You can also play along. So thank you. Please endeavor to subscribe.